Pero there is only one Asian that the ICC has kidnapped, and si Duterte. Ito ang international international support against si George Galloway. Second time na siya mag-comment po. Kaya ko itong kasi video ito Kinuha ko lang ito dahil may itong part na to, itong clip na to dahil may Duterte, makikita niyo naka-yellow. So he was discussing Duterte. Okay, and meron pa atang ibang foreign dito. Si Lakwatcherong Engineer ang nag-post po nito. And sabi po dito ni this has been on my mind for a couple of years now. Duterte loved this country so much that he was willing to go beyond the limits to protect his people. Some would say his biggest mistake was loving his country too much, but honestly, the Philippines needed that. Some might disagree, but I'm on the side that appreciate his love. Picture from Sir Michael King. I don't know if he is the one. No? Okay. So napakarami pong ganyan sa Facebook. Again, tayo po from the very beginning and hindi lang po ngayon sa kaso po ni Presidente Duterte. In the many years past, we have already been lambasting ICC dahil po lalo-lalo na doon sa mga panahon ng Arab Spring, kung paano i-persecute si Libyan Muammar Gaddafi and so on. Meron na naman po ngayon dito sa March 28 sa Russia Today si Ali Hamoud, international relations expert na nagsabi, ICC serves the powerful rather than justice. Okay. And binansagan po natin na International Colonial Court, ICC. Yung iba naman, nababasa ko, International Caucasian Court, korte ng mga puti. And I think it's appropriate. Ayun ang sinabi po ni Duterte ni George Galloway. Ayan, kaya babalikan ko po, natandaan ko lang. Sabi ni George Galloway at yung misis niya, si Gayatri, an Indonesian wife niya, the ICC has convicted 30 Africans. Only one white, si Slobodan Milosevic, dahil po inatake ng Estados Unidos at ng NATO yung Serbia in the late 1990s. Kaya po nila tinayo ang ICC para magkaroon ng dahilan na ikulong yung si Milosevic. Pero there is only one Asian that the ICC has kidnapped, and si Duterte. Yan po ang isang notable comment ni Galloway, kaya ko po naisip na isama po dito sa diskusyon po natin. The only Asian. And remember, karamihan po sa ASEAN hindi po kasama sa ICC, including the Philippines, Thailand, Indonesia, Malaysia, and Myanmar hindi po kasama sa ICC. The others, I'm still researching kung kasama, baka lahat po hindi kasama sa ICC. Okay.